This tutorial is going to show you how to change your email password from the temporary password that was provided from the marketplace.biz to the email password of your choice. First, go to the top right where your email address is displayed. Click on the drop-down button, and then in the list, select Password and Security. On the screen, you're going to enter a new password 2 times, and the box will show you whether the passwords match or not. Once they match, you're going to click on the Save button, and whether your password is strong or weak, you will be able to save it. However, we encourage you to try and save a strong password to prevent security issues going forward. And that's how you save your new password for your email account.